Keep your equipment running efficiently with Spirax spare parts. We understand the importance of keeping your wastewater treatment equipment in top condition. That's why we offer high-quality spare parts, conveniently stocked in warehouses near you. Whether you're in Europe, the USA, or Australia, our local workshops and support ensure your equipment runs smoothly with minimal downtime. We specialize in spare parts for wastewater treatment equipment, including inlet screens, shaftless spiral conveyors, screenings, grit, and sludge equipment. Our spare parts are designed for precise fit, optimal performance, and extended service life. Our drive shaft assemblies come with all components for seamless operation, precision machined to ensure a perfect fit. When you choose Spirax, you're choosing superior quality, expert engineering, and local availability. Trust us to keep your equipment performing at its best, so you can focus on what matters most. Contact us today to learn more about our spare parts and how we can support your operation.